So it's the usual thing, come in, although this place is a little bit unusual that you've actually got a separate toilet cubicle, something you don't see very often these days. And then you've got a kind of open bathroom area here with a really large walk-in shower there with a nice shower head. The only problem with this is that this wall here is a little bit too far away from the sink, and it means that there's less room in the bedroom area. So see here, it's a little bit tight. We've got two single beds, decent sized TV if you want that. You've got some worktop space here. There's a fridge in there. They don't provide drinks in here. You can get water from the bar though to put in there. Then you've got wardrobes here with shelves, hangers, safe. There's a mirror there. And then there's a little sofa as well. It's only a fairly modest sized room, but it's okay. There's one case stand there as well. So this is a limited sea view room. I'll take you out to the balcony in a minute. So this is a balcony. We've got the usual table, chairs, and then you've got the drying rack there for your wet swim shorts. Now we've actually been incredibly lucky here and got an absolutely massive balcony. There's actually only a few rooms like this because they seem to sit over the restaurant area. So you've got the pool down there, and then that's a buffet restaurant there. Now these few rooms on this floor here, just along here, have all got these massive balconies, but all the other rooms have got a pretty standard size. You can see just about through the trees to the sea here, you've got a view over the main pool, and then there's the culinarian restaurant here next door, which is the a la carte. Nice big palm trees there. But yeah, I mean these balconies are so big, you could easily fit a couple of sunbeds actually. Now, as far as I know, these are not any extra. We just paid for a limited sea view room, so I presume all the other rooms on the lower floors, even if they don't have these big balconies, are the same price. Yeah, so there we go, a definite bonus.